Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken in Hungry Shark. To begin, you must first ensure you have progressed significantly within the game. The Kraken is not an entry-level shark. It is one of the most formidable creatures you can control. You will need to meet several key requirements before it becomes available for purchase. This process involves unlocking and upgrading other powerful sharks, as well as gathering substantial in-game currency. The primary step involves acquiring the mighty Megalodon shark. Once you possess the Megalodon, you must then fully upgrade it to its maximum level, which is level 10. This upgrade process will consume a considerable amount of your in-game gold coins. Additionally, to finalize the Kraken's unlock, you will need to gather a specific quantity of valuable gems. These resources are crucial for your journey to command the Kraken. With your Megalodon fully upgraded, the Kraken will now become visible and available for purchase in the Shark selection menu. Simply navigate to this screen within the game. You will find the Kraken listed among the other special or apex tier sharks. Select the Kraken and then confirm your purchase using the gold coins and gems you have diligently saved. Congratulations, you are now ready to unleash this legendary creature. The Kraken is an incredibly powerful shark, boasting high health and formidable bite power. Its most distinctive feature is a unique ink cloud ability, which you can activate to stun nearby enemies or create a temporary shield. Utilize this special skill to escape dangerous situations, hunt larger prey more effectively, and explore previously inaccessible areas of the ocean. Master the Kraken to dominate the seas and achieve impressive new high scores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.